Computer Class 1. Hello children. Today we will do Uses of a Keyboard. Chapter 5. In this lesson you will learn about keys on the keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. Now my dear children, you use a pencil to write on paper. In the same way, you need a keyboard to write on the computer screen. A keyboard had small buttons on it called keys. You can type text on the computer by pressing these keys. Keys on the keyboard. A keyboard consists of 101 to 104 keys. These keys are divided into three categories. First is alphabet keys, that is A to Z in capitals or A to Z in small letters. The second is number keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and number 0. Third is special keys, that are enter key, space bar, backspace key, etc. You can have a look on this picture. The arrow is marked according to the keys. Caps lock key is on the left side. Then down the long bar key is called a space bar. Then on the right hand side, on the alphanumeric key row, you can see here backspace key. Then there are two enter keys, which is on the number side and under the backspace key. Now children, let us start with alphabet keys. As you can see here in the picture, the alphabets are not written in the sequence, but there are 26 letters from A to Z on each row. The keys on which A to Z letters are written are called alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. They are used to type words and sentences. The alphabet keys are used to type both capital and small letters. Now children, let us learn about number keys. Number keys are marked with digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 on them. These are 10 in number. Number keys help you to type numbers. There are two sets of these keys on a keyboard. So children, you can see here in the picture, you will find the number key on your left side of the keyboard, and on the middle, on top, just above the alphabet keys, you will find the number keys with symbols. Okay, so both side you can see number keys on a keyboard. Now let us learn special keys. There are some keys that have special role Let us discuss some of them. You can see here in the picture, space bar is the longest key at the bottom of the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between two letters, numbers, symbols, and words. Space bar is the only key on the keyboard on which nothing is written. Now let us learn the another special key, which is called enter key. We use the enter key to move to the next line. The enter key is also called the return key. There are two enter keys on a keyboard. You can see here on your right side and on your left side, just beside alphabet keys, you can see the enter key, and the other enter key you can see on the number keys. Now children, let us learn another special key, which is called backspace key. We use backspace key to erase what we have typed. So you can see here in the picture which key is called backspace key. The next one is cursor control key. We use the cursor control keys to move the cursor up, as you see in the picture, then down, then left and right. So this is called cursor control keys, and also you can say it arrow keys. You can see arrow on four keys, so you can also say the cursor control key as arrow keys. Okay. Now children, what is a cursor? A cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. It shows the place where the typed letter or number will appear. So whenever you type something on the computer, there is one small blinking line. Blinking means jhapakna. Okay. So you can see that line on the screen and you can start typing. Now there is a computer caution. Always press the keyboard keys gently. I hope children you have understood the lesson. Now it's time to do some exercises. The first is tick the correct option. Key used to leave space between words. Enter key, spacebar key or del key. So the answer is spacebar key. Key used to erase what we have typed. Spacebar key, backspace key or enter key. So the answer is backspace key. The next is write true or false. The first is a keyboard is used for writing on paper. False. Second is alphabet keys are used to type words and letters. True. Third is enter key moves the cursor to the next line. True. Fourth is you can type your age using number keys. True. Fifth is the backspace key is the longest key on the keyboard. False. Children, the third question is fill in the blanks using the words given below. The first is a dash is a small blinking line. So you can find the answer from the hints and you can write down. So the answer is cursor. Second is dash is used to write on a computer. Keyboard. So write down there. Third is dash is the longest key on the keyboard. The answer is space bar. Fourth is dash keys are used to type numbers. Number keys. Fifth is there are 26 dash keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys on the keyboard. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are the alphabet keys used for? The answer is the alphabet keys are used for typing the words and sentences. Question number 2. Which key is also called the return key? The answer is the enter key is also called the return key. Question number 3. Which key helps you to erase what you have typed? The answer is backspace key. Children, you have to do these exercises and question answer in your book and notebook. Now it's time to do some homework. Draw a keyboard and mark the different keys such as alphabet keys, special keys and number keys. Thank you.